In this video, I will be showing you how to open an HSBC business account online. Now, in order to do that, what we can do is we can first head over to hsbc.com and it will redirect you to the prompt or the correct domain that you have based on your location. I have in here PH because I'm Philippines. So from in there, you should be able to see in here this. So just beside the personal, we have business. So click on this option right here. And then it will provide us with this new link. So for example, let me just close this one for now and you should be able to see this. So when you click on log on, you can head over and log on to the ESBC net or the Smart Serve one. Now you can see in here the useful links and the likes. However, if you really want to actually sign up on business using HSBC, what you can do is you can head over and then visit their bank branch nearest to you. So in order to see the bank branch nearest to you, you can head right here to a new tab and then search in here for HSBC branch near me. So once you have done that, it will show you in here some branch near you that you can head over and go directions and then you can register in there for the actual location or the actual business account that you want to register in.